Moving can be chaotic, overwhelming, and plain frustrating. But what if we told you we can make it fun? Introducing Tagaroom's Moving Supplies, the solution for a stress-free move. Save time and avoid stress. Tagaroom can help. Our color-coded moving box labels and content labels will make you feel like a labeling ninja. With 320 Walmart stores nationwide carrying our products, you'll be ready for your next move wherever you go. No more plain, boring boxes. With Tagaroom's labels, you'll make your move a showdown. Start! Don't settle for a boring move. Choose Tagaroom for a fun, organized, and stress-free move. Tagaroom, moving supplies. Walmart launch, organized move. Tagaroom is not responsible for any ninja-related injuries.